and alarm sounds while your cat is playing around, and as you try to focus to launch this smart arrow. In this video, we'll witness 10 amazing inventions. Let's turn on the lights and discover them together. Imagine immersing yourself in the gaming world with an audio experience that makes you feel like you're actually inside the game. The Colo GCS audio system features a stunning futuristic design, resembling Cybertruck in the world of conventional automobiles. However, it's not just about appearances. The intelligent design allows you to mount the system on your gaming chair in just 5 minutes. The system is equipped with 11 speakers delivering immersive surround sound at 30 watts of power, with 3 operation modes: movies, general, and gaming. In gaming mode, you can precisely locate your opponents through their footsteps and ambient sounds. All this advanced technology is available for $429. Keeping an eye on your home and family has become easier with BotNono, the smart home robot powered by ChatGPT technology.
Hello, BotNono. How are you?
I'm fine. How can I help you? Its developer considers it the smartest assistant robot in the world. This innovative robot excels at recognizing faces, gestures, and voice commands with ease. BotNono offers exceptional elderly care services through its ability to detect fires early and respond immediately to fall incidents. You can also monitor your home directly through your smartphone thanks to the built-in camera. The robot features self-charging capabilities and night vision that works in complete darkness for distances up to 15 meters. 80% of us suffer from daily battery anxiety. Therefore, Powerbank Rank emerges as a practical solution in our modern era, which is filled with devices requiring constant charging. This compact device is remarkably small, so small that it can be attached to your bag or backpack, just like a keychain. Despite its miniature size, it houses a powerful 3,000 mAh battery and supports 30-watt fast charging, enabling it to charge an iPhone 15 Pro or Nintendo Switch up to 60% in just 30 minutes. The device comes equipped with a versatile cable compatible with USB Type-C and Lightning ports, while maintaining an incredibly light weight of merely 62 grams. The Powerbank Rank is available for $69. It's time for family fun with Pixel Darts, the amazing electronic innovation that combines entertainment and education for both young and old alike. The game features completely safe, soft darts, eliminating any concerns about wall damage or player injuries. The board itself is engineered to withstand even Nerf projectiles. What's even more impressive is its open system, offering a wide array of entertainment options. From multiplayer precision shooting games to classic video game emulations reminiscent of NES titles. When not in active play, Pixel Darts transforms into a smart display, showcasing news, weather updates, and other useful information. The game will soon launch on Kickstarter, where pricing details will be revealed. Frozen fingers while winter wandering? It's time for smart warmth. The MoreWe Hand. Warmer brings winter magic to your fingertips. Powered by a robust 5,000 mAh battery in each unit, it provides continuous warmth for up to 12 hours. Enjoy 3 different temperature settings, 45, 50, and 55 degrees Celsius, complete with an automatic safety shutoff system. Better yet, it doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. All this for just $39. Is your home haunted by the lingering smell of your cat's litter box? That's now a thing of the past. Let me introduce you to the Cat Bula Pro. This smart solution transforms cat ownership into a truly enjoyable experience. This advanced box isn't just a waste container. It's an integrated system equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms. It analyzes your cat's waste and sends health reports directly to your phone through a dedicated app. The best part? The box features automatic self-cleaning, collecting waste in a bag within a 20-liter capacity container. Imagine only needing to empty it once every 2 weeks. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and daily mess. The box is intelligently designed to accommodate cats of all sizes, even large breeds like Maine Coons. All these advanced features are available for just $219. Imagine having the power of a full-size vacuum cleaner in a device as small as your mobile phone. Introducing Poshi, a compact device that combines power with high efficiency. Featuring an impressive suction power of 18,000 Pascal, making it a strong competitor to traditional home vacuum cleaners. It excels at picking up fine debris like dust, dirt, and pet hair. And it can operate for a full hour on a single charge. Better yet, you can use it as an air pump to vacuum seal storage bags when you're done cleaning. All these features are available for just $48.50. Your outdoor adventures are about to become more comfortable with the FlexTail Zero Pump. The size of a chocolate bar and weighing only 34 grams, you can easily slip it into your pocket or attach it to your backpack. This compact, multi-purpose pump does it all. From fire starting at campsites, to inflating air mattresses, or even vacuum sealing storage bags with a pressure power of up to 2.5 kilopascals. With a battery that lasts 25 minutes on a full charge, the Zero Pump is an essential tool for your adventures. All of this for just $48.50. Do you know what really excites me? Let me tell you about an amazing invention that will make your hearts skip with joy. Imagine regular shoes transforming instantly into a futuristic mode of transportation. Yes, it's the Shift Moonwalkers that amazed the world so much that Time magazine selected it as one of this year's best innovations. I know it sounds like science fiction, but it's real. 8 smart wheels carry your steps smoothly, with a powerful battery that makes you feel like you're floating above the ground. Moving at 11 kilometers per hour effortlessly. And if you're a fan of excellence like me, the Aero version will capture your hearts. Imagine 400 watts of power in a lighter, quieter design. On a dark night on a remote road, nothing's worse than a weak flashlight that lets you down. But with AceBeam flashlights, you'll never worry about lighting again. The AceBeam E70 combines world-class quality with reasonable pricing. The E70 model comes equipped with an advanced CREE diode that lasts 50,000 hours. For just $87, it provides powerful illumination, reaching 240 meters, with brightness reaching 5,000 lumens. And if you prefer a smaller size, there's the E70 Mini, equipped with 3 Nikia LEDs. Though it offers lower brightness at 1,000 lumens and a range of 153 meters, it's 30 grams lighter, 17 millimeters shorter, and $10 cheaper. And here we reach the end of our journey today, where we've explored innovations that touch our lives and simplify our daily routines. These devices aren't just lifeless technologies, but rather the fruit of human creativity striving for a better life. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which device caught your attention the most? And how do you expect it to impact your daily life? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all that's new.